So today we're going to talk briefly about a Go Bridge event, and then I'm also going to show you a little bit more about. I did a nice example with Memcache and cookies, which is not a functional example, but it's a stepping stone. I mean, the code's going to run, but it's not practical code. You'd never put this kind of code in production because it just doesn't make logical sense, even though it runs. Okay, so we're going to see here. The photoblog, we did that with the cookie. Now we're going to add Memcache into the photoblog. And so that's the next thing that we're working on. Help you, gentlemen?
Our understanding you were having trouble with the projector.
I'm all good now.
Sounds good. Have a good
Easy
day.
fix,
Sorry.
right?
Yeah.
All right, it's working. Thank you. Unless we could ask them to fix something else, but I'd rather just
Last
look at
class has been
code.
having issues with the cable. I think it's probably their adapter.
Their adapter. So that's what we're going to see. So the first thing is this Go Bridge deal. And Go Bridge is, I don't know what you call it, an organization, that's the word, .org. It's an organization that teaches Go programming and other programming, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. To, yes, it does, to underrepresented communities, okay? Because in programming, 90% of programmers are white males. And so there's a movement in the tech industry to try to bring other people in. And so you could come in here, and one of the things you could do is you could scroll down and you could create an issue if you want to create an event. And if you come to issues, or can you just see it here? Oh, right here you could go to events. That's what I want to show you. So here are some upcoming events with Go. But if you come to this thing, create an issue, you get brought to this page. And then at this page, you see some issues, and here's one of the issues, and that's the one I started, right? So 9, 3, 4, 10, and 11, September. We're going to have a Learn How to Code Google's Go programming language. Most of you are pretty experienced at this point with the basics of the language. So it'd be wonderful if you could be a volunteer at the event and serve as a tutor for helping other people who are there. So it's going to be down at Bitwise. And we're partnering up with Bitwise, Fresno City College, and Bitwise partnering together to put this event on. And if you click on that link, you come here to the Bridge Troll. And so the Bridge Troll is where you could see, and that's just an interesting website. So it's not just Go, but Rails, Bridge, Workshop for Women. So Bridge Troll, web development with Ruby on Rails, right? So you could come in here and you could find different events. And so here are all the different ones that are being offered around the country. And that's pretty cool. They're free events where you can meet other programmers and learn about programming. So Bridge Troll. And so the one we're going to do is Learn How to Code Google's Go programming language. And so the first two, you saw the dates there, are September 3rd, 4th, 10th, and 11th. And so September 3rd and 4th is we're going to be going through my code base, Introduction to the Go Programming Language. And then the 10th and the 11th, we're going to be going through Bill Kennedy's Arden Labs Hardcore Go Training code base. Bill Kennedy's a friend of mine. He's the author of Go in Action. And he's going to be there on the 10th and 11th, most likely, which is going to be great. So I'm going to be teaching, but he's going to be there, and he's going to be critiquing me and then telling me what I did right, what I didn't do right, and where I left holes. So it'll be kind of like us co-teaching. But the main intent is Bill and I have this friendship, and he would like me to be able to start doing some of his trainings also. And so this is like, first time out, he wants to be there, do a free event, run through my code base. Let me see how you teach it, and see if you're up to speed enough for me to start sending you out to corporations to do trainings and things like that. So put that on your calendar, and if you want to volunteer, just stay in touch with me, and I'll keep you updated on it. Right now, it's pending approval. There's an entire process we have to go through to get it going. Yeah? All right, so next deal.